You might have heard of the official Disney fan club, which is D23, and we are gold members, actually gold family members of D23. And once a year, D23 puts out a really big gift for all of their members. And they also put out every single quarter a brand new magazine with all the upcoming stuff that's going on at Disney, at the parks, corporately. So it's really neat to kind of see, and it's always a really neat magazine, and it's well done when they put it out.
Today's video is going to be the unboxing of this quarter's gift. I was able to surprise Andy with the D23 membership last Christmas. So it was the surprise Christmas gift. He had no idea it was coming, though he tried to guess.
And I couldn't.
No, he couldn't. And then I think it ended up being his favorite Christmas gift of the season. So, hey, talk about hitting that one out of the ballpark.
Yep.
But without further ado, drum roll please. Here we go. This is our third magazine that we're going to get. So excited. The others have been awesome.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And guys, I'm going to do a close-up for this for you, but let's see if we can see it just like this. This is, oh my gosh.
It's the live-action Lady. I will admit that Lady and the Tramp was my all-time favorite Disney movie as a kid. Okay? I'm trying not to crinkle the paper very much. And then we are Lady and the Tramp at the fountain. Look how cute they are. Oh, I love it. Oh, this is a great cover. Oh, this is awesome. All right, let's open it up.
So yeah, it wouldn't be an unboxing unless we kind of really showed you guys and told you about what's in this magazine. So here we go. Wow.
So look at that park scene when they're on the date. Oh, I love that. Okay.
Oh, wow.
And then man, when they're just kind of like looking at each other on the front cover, that is so cute.
And one of my favorite actors of all time, Sam Elliott, is actually going to be in the movie as well. He's going to be voicing in the movie as well. So this is going to be really neat.
Mm-hmm.
This looks like a really cool movie coming up.
Oh, it really does. And just to showcase some of the artwork that you get in the magazine. Okay. Oh, wow. It really does look like this issue is all about Lady and the Tramp. Here you have another close-up of this super cute new lady and her tramp.
This is going to be a fun movie. I can't wait.
It is.
And what's so great about these magazines is that I really do believe that they're very collectible. I mean, these are ways that you can kind of go back in time. D23 just celebrated their 10th year anniversary. So this is a cool way with these magazines to kind of go back through the years and really see things and how the movies have changed, how Disney has grown. And then sometimes these magazines, they'll kind of do like a double feature. I know the last one that came out was actually had Simba, a young Simba on the cover, but it also had the Millennium Falcon on there for Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. So it was kind of a dual.
And not to be outdone, this one also has Once Upon a Time in a Galaxy. So the fun continues with the Star Wars theme, which I really do love that too.
Right. So this is all going to be about the new series, Star Wars series coming out, Mandalorian, which is going to be coming out on November 12th with Disney Plus. What's really neat about this magazine is that it seems to be not only the upcoming movie coming out of Lady and the Tramp, but also it seems to be really kind of doing the plug for Disney Plus and all of the series, original series that are coming out on it as well.
All right, and here we have Unlocking the Vault, which is talking about Disney Plus, just what Andy was talking about right there. Jim, so here just let you know that Disney Plus is going to be launching November the 12th. A few things that you're going to get to see.
Who's excited about that? Leave it in the comments below if you are planning to get Disney Plus. I want to know because I'm pretty sure we're definitely going to be getting Disney Plus. And then I don't know if I'm going to have any more free time because it's all, I think we're going to be watching all the original series that are coming out on it. So
I think so too. But I mean, they're featuring The Reluctant Dragon, Cinderella, The Story of Robin Hood and His Merry Men, 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. Who remembers that as like from their childhood in Walt Disney World? That was one of my favorite rides of all time. And when they took it out, I was so bummed.
from my understanding, at Castaway Cay, in the Bahamas, they took the Nautilus ship that was actually part of the ride, and they actually, when they removed it from the ride, they took it to Castaway Cay and actually sunk it in the bay there, or at Castaway Cay, and it's now part of wildlife, and you can actually snorkel around there. So that sounds pretty cool. I don't know if we're going to go snorkeling, but from my understanding, that's where the old Nautilus is.
Throwback. The Avengers and Captain America. Who else, has that song stuck in their head of Captain America throwing his mighty shield? I love that throwback picture. And then, there you are. At the Society of Explorers and Adventurers. And you've got the National Geographic cover right there. And just the different things. I mean, Walt Disney, and there he is. Alright, in the original vault, quote unquote. But he was such a visionary and such wanting to do vacations that involved the whole entire family. And just the whole Destination Disney being that next step. Now, as you can see, I do love the D23 magazine. This is one of the best gifts that I've ever gotten, Andy. And we know that Maleficent is one of my favorite characters. She's just the awesome villain, okay? And here we go. Because what would a D23 magazine be without our favorite Maleficent? Oh, I cannot wait to see this movie. Oh my goodness. And to see Michelle Pfeiffer and Angelina Jolie in the same movie.
Well guys, thank you so much for hanging out with us today. If this is your first time to our channel, please consider subscribing. Also, go ahead and give this video a big like. It helps our channel grow. But we so very much love sharing being able to unbox our D23 magazine with you guys and share it with you, and we could actually go through and just read it all with you, but I don't know if you guys really want to take that time to do that.
They're falling asleep out there.
But again, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with us, and if you haven't joined D23, consider it. They also have a free membership that you can do to where you can just kind of, be a member of it, but definitely by joining and paying and being a gold member, there are some definite perks that come with it. So consider that, but take a look at it, d23.com. But thank you again for hanging out with us today. Until next time, get out there, have some fun, and we'll see you on the flip side.